Hey guys, real fast before the video gets kicked off, I just wanted to give you a size comparison. This is a Traxxas T-Max beside the Tug, so it's like over double the length of a T-Max. And then here's the width of it. It's around 5 pounds of filament and well over 100 hours of printing to get to this point with the hull and the galley and all that stuff. And even on the back here, the rudder and the prop is 3D printed as well. So I'll do a more in-depth video tour of the Tug eventually, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick size comparison so you would know about how big it is. The power system is 4 7-cell nickel metal hydride batteries. I wired them in parallel to this Hexfly receiver, and then under that you can see the Titan 775 Traxxas motor, so that's what this thing's powered by. Hey guys, we're heading out to the lake to give the Tug a good test. Ran it in the pond just for a few minutes, seemed like it did fine, so we're going to go out to some bigger water. There's the Tug. As you can see, it's storming today, wind and rain, so ought to be some good swell out on the lake. Hopefully this doesn't turn into another rescue mission like the submarine thing. Brought the kayak just in case. Look at him back there. He loves this. Let's do a circle. This thing's pulling super good. He's pulled me out of ways already. He's back over there. He probably thinks it's hilarious. So I've got 4 7-cell nickel metal batteries in this thing for mostly because I need the weight for ballast, but also it's just going to run a long time. So that's like 16, 8, like 20,000 milliamps or something like that in here roughly right now. So there's a lot of run time, even with that big Titan 775 motor.